Hey there, I'm going to do a cold start of the 2000 Ford F150. This will be the first cold start for the F150. You can see I already have the XV running. It's covered with snow. It's not a lot of snow, but it's the first time it snowed since we got the truck. Here, let me go get the broom, brush it off. First time it snowed since we got the truck, and it has a bad battery, and it's in the 20s, so I don't know if it'll start up. I don't think it will, but I'm gonna see if it will. If it does, that'd be great. You can see there's a layer of ice on the window. Just let it run for a little while. Okay, put this down there. Just a second, get the keys. Vinyl seats are ice cold in the wintertime too. Hello. There we go. Try to get in and shut the door before the light. The light didn't come on. That's probably just dead. Wow, started. Cool. I didn't think he was gonna start. I don't know why the light didn't come on when I opened the door. Go ahead and turn the heat on full blast in this one. Let it run for a little while. There you go. Cold start of the 2000 Ford F150, and it does have the 4.2 V6 in it. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos.